Hey, are you the one who wants to learn Python and practice Python in your systems and finding difficulty to choose which IDE you need to use? Choosing the right IDE can greatly enhance your Python development and experience whether you are a beginner, student, or a working professionals on complex projects. Let's explore four popular IDEs that can cater to different situations. First in our list is PyCharm. PyCharm is widely used IDE developed by JetBrains. It offers a comprehensive set of features for Python development, such as code completion, debugging tools, integrated terminal, version control integration, and supports for web development frameworks like Django and Flask. Next in our list is Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. VS Code is a versatile and lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft. It offers Python development through extensions, providing features like IntelliSense, debugging capabilities, code formatting, and integrated with Python version control systems. And in our next list, we will be having Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is a open source web application that allows you to create and share documents containing live code, versatile visualization, and explanatory text. Jupyter Lab is an enhanced version of Jupyter Notebook, offering more flexible and feature-rich environment for interactive coding and data analysis in Python. On top of in the next in our list, and which is providing from Python itself, is IDLE, also known as Integrated Development Learning Environment. Integrated learning This ideally provides a basic set of features for Python development, including an interactive Python shell, a coding editor, and a debugger. It offers a syntax highlighting, code completion, and basic debugging capabilities. It is a simple and lightweight IDE suitable for beginners or for quick scripting tasks. These are all the four IDEs that I suggest you to choose any one of these. And if you are a beginner who wants to learn Python, who want to organize your code in a structured format so that in future if you want to refer your own work, you could I suggest you to go with Jupyter Notebook because it offers you that kind of a flexibility. Now, if you don't want to use any of these softwares installed in your systems, or your system may be having low configurations, at that situation I suggest you to go through online compilers. So in our next video we will be discussing what are the various online compilers that are available. We could use those online compilers without installing any softwares in our systems. That's for end of this video. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe for more this kind of videos. Thank you.